Continue to the third weight loss mistake that everyone makes: drinking coffee. I know some weight loss experts advise people to drink coffee to lose weight. Their advice is based on some lab research. The research found that after drinking coffee, the human body will continue consuming calories even when you do not exercise. Isn't that exciting? You can still lose weight without any effort. People believe in such things. You can see that lots of people search for how to lose weight without exercise. But wait a minute. Can drinking coffee to lose weight be another myth? Let's look at it. If you notice that in Western culture, many people drink coffee regularly. However, the obesity problem in Western society is severe. You could say that because most people drink coffee with sugar, milk, or cream. That's true. You might initially see some weight loss effect if you drink black coffee. But once you drink coffee regularly, your body starts to build caffeine tolerance. Soon, when your body adapts to that level of caffeine, the weight loss effect is reduced, and you create another problem: caffeine addiction. As you can see, high-intensity workouts, less food, and drinking coffee are not the solutions. Leave a comment if those 3 weight loss mistakes resonate with you. Now, what's my weight loss secret? As I mentioned earlier, I have managed to keep my weight around 105 pounds for the past 3 decades. I don't do any gym workouts, and I am not a vegetarian or vegan. My diet is a typical Chinese diet with a lot of cooked vegetables and a variety of meat, which is no different than any other Chinese people. And I don't take any nutrition supplements. But there is one thing I do differently. I practice Qigong almost every day. I learned Qigong in my early 20s. Initially, I practiced a few times a month. It was like a hobby to me. Later in my 30s, although I was busy with 2 young kids, balanced between work and life, I did my best to practice 2 or 3 times a week. Since I reached 40, I have committed to practice Qigong almost daily. Because of Qigong practice and my Asian diet, which I can share in other video, I am fit, healthy, and look younger. My personal experience proved that Qigong is a healthy and probably the best way to maintain your body shape and health. So if you are in your 40s, 50s, 60s, or older, and you want to lose weight sustainably and healthily, Qigong is the answer. So if you wonder why Qigong can help in weight loss, you need to understand this. The better way to lose weight is to boost your metabolism, your overall life functions, and your energy. It shall supplement your health token instead of withdrawing. It shall help steadily reduce weight and keep your healthy weight. That is critical for middle-aged people. The other weight loss methods can exhaust you, break your inner balance to cause other problems, quickly gain the weight back, and make you age faster. Qigong practice can largely boost your life functions so your body performs at its best. If there's extra fat, your fat can efficiently turn into qi and energy. You will feel your body becomes light and energetic all day long. You will quickly achieve your weight loss goal when your overall body functions are tuned. Our Qigong app is the best bet if you want to start Qigong learning and practice. I will leave the app download link in the description below. I hope my weight loss secret will help you. So I will see you in the next video.